Well, if you enjoyed the warmer weather, I hate to break it to you, but we're not seeing that anytime soon. 38 outside Davis Wade Stadium. It feels a few degrees colder than the actual air temperature due to that north wind at 10 miles per hour. So you need to dress for even colder temperatures. Taking a look at temperatures, speaking of it, 38 Aberdeen to 37 Starkville to 36. And Houston, 35 Pontotoc. Now, we'll add a few more degrees on that where we are today. We'll eventually warm up in the mid-40s. Once sun starts the set, temperatures will quickly drop in the lower 30s and into the overnight hours. And speaking of getting you out the door for your Tuesday morning, 8 a.m., 32 degrees. So we'll be right around freezing, but quickly warming up to the mid-40s by noon and eventually the lower 50s by the afternoon. And we're tracking our next big thing that's below average temperatures. That's going to continue most of this week. Winter weather is possible Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then a hard freeze is likely toward the end of the week. Taking a look at weather impact, we got little to no impact today, but we start to introduce a low threat for some impacts due to a light wintry mix possible Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Then we start to have a little bit of a low to medium threat for some impacts. We could see some ice on some roads, a little bit of snow accumulation in the far northeast Mississippi, and then we're all fine and quiet on Thursday. So let's time out this wintry mix, the snow that we could possibly get. 12 a.m. we're quiet, but starts to enter in our northwestern portions of our coverage area. Then you start to see the pinks, the blues taking over. Look how fine of a line we are here in Starkville. You go 15 miles, you're getting freezing rain. South, just a cold fashion rain. Eventually, I do think we'll see a transition to a little bit of freezing rain by the early morning hours of your Wednesday. Some could get snow. That's far northeast Mississippi. But I think we could see a good threat for some freezing rain. This all pushes out of here Wednesday morning. But does the roads recover? Does the temperatures recover? And we're back to normal by Wednesday afternoon. So we have a limited impact for icy roads across most of our coverage area, an elevated impact for some snow accumulation in far northeast Mississippi. 7-day forecast, 51 tomorrow with that wintry mix into Wednesday morning. 30, look at that. We're not even getting above freezing on Thursday. Cold mornings, but the weekend looking pretty nice.